Camper killer with 4 motherfucking zeros, shotgun master. It might be a little laggish, but yeah.
Hostile UAV above.
Watch this, ladies and gentlemen. Shotgun master at work. Nailed him. I don't know why I looked through the windows back there. Shotgun wasn't going to make it that far either way.
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming. UAV awaiting orders.
If you made it this far into the movie, I do deeply sorry for the blur every now and again. I'm doing all this all on my Android.
UAV inbound.
There I am at top. And by the end of this video, I will show you the actual connections of how to get through all that stuff, like how to move fast and whatnot. You know, I'll give you my class settings for my shotgun class. But you have to come up with your own calling card and camo, though.
UAV on standby.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you notice, throughout the whole game, I've had UAV after UAV after UAV, RC car after RC car, and I didn't call not one of them, except for maybe one or two. I think I called it once.
Hunter killer drone ready for deployment.
Now, I know I called the Hunter killer. Everybody's got to call the Hunter killer. Now, I bet you anything, if I hadn't called the Hunter killer, I would have not died back there. And this video is not showing that I'm better than you. He gets me. I'm not better than you or anything like that. I'm just
UAV inbound.
showing you how decently good I am with a shotgun, and I can hang with about 75, 80% of the
Be advised,
top class
hostile UAV
players out there. Now that was some shotgun master right there for you. And if you look at most of my other videos, I do have gold camo, so I have mastered this shotgun and all the attachments for it. And to be honest with you, this is the best shotgun out of all shotguns, if you ask me, if you think about it.
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
And I noticed I haven't called a UAV yet.
Hostile care package inbound. Hostile hunter killer drone inbound.
Watch this. Boom. Game-winning kill. Badass. Look at that. Camper killer. First place. Victory. Score limited. Reached. Second place. Third place. Watch. Let's see. Will it show it? Oh, no, it won't show the game-winning kill. But it was badass. Anyways, this has been Camper Killer with 4 motherfucking zeros coming to you live with Shotgun Master. I don't challenge. I do not want a challenge. I do not need a challenge. This was just showing you that I'm about 75, 85% up there with the big boys when it comes to the shotgun. Now, I just woke up about an hour ago, so I'm still in the process of waking up. So, once I'm fully awake, though, yeah, I feel sorry for everybody in my path. More Call of Duty Black Ops 2 videos coming. Maybe, just maybe, I'll get better reviews and comments and subscribes on this game than I did on MCLA Complete Edition. Well, like I said, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you made it this far, and like I said, in the next video, I'll show you the class settings that I have for my shotgun. You just can't use my purple camo or my sight designs as a copy, or my calling card as a copy. Just the class settings. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening, day, night, morning, afternoon. Either way, whatever time it is, there it's your time when you're watching this. Later.